Average James's Garage here, and today we are going to be installing some $30 eBay side markers. Go on, Buster. Go on. Just that easy. You can see me struggling with this one, but the clip kept falling out. So I had to come out the next day and had to drill this hole a little bit bigger and push the pin through to lock this tab in place. So this would have just fallen out. So there, now it's held in nice and tight. Well, that concludes our video for the clear side marker lights. Looks awesome. Next up, GP eBay power pulley. See how it works. We'll find out.